Hello all, welcome to my YouTube channel Family's Kitchen. Today let's make SHEERKHURMA. 1 liter milk, 1 cup thin roasted vermicelli, some chopped dry fruits, 4 tablespoons of ghee and 4 tablespoons of condensed milk. Heat the pan, add in the milk. Boil it and keep it aside. Again, heat up the pan and add in ghee. Then add vermicelli. Roast it on low-medium flame. Now add in chopped pista, chopped cashews and chopped almonds. Roast it together. Once it's done, add in boiled milk. Mix it well. Cook it till it gets soft. Now add in 4 tablespoons of sugar. Four tablespoons condensed milk. Bring it to a boil. At last, add in 4 to 5 pods of cardamom. Give it a good mix. Serve it hot. And garnish it with chopped dry fruits. And and your creamy delicious sheer khurma is ready to enjoy.